managed teen self. Teen self, the ego strength is fidelity. Here, getting comfortable with discomfort. This is the major thing which we undergo in our teenagers. Teenagers, like after we got into puberty and we started exploring something outside our comfort zone. Right? And we are also sometimes this is the time where some people put their children into hostels. Most of the people are going into hostels during this time, and even I went to hostel during this time. And there is a lot of identity versus role confusion. So there is some identity within us, but something else is demanded from outside. So there is this identity versus role confusion during this time. Independence from family. So at this time, the people wanted to be independent. As we said, the causal body is coming in. Slowly, this causal body is something very individualistic. It has its own purpose of life. That's why it's called causal body. It doesn't follow the standards of society. It doesn't follow the standards of what parents had lived. It has its own standards. It knows what it wants. So that's why teenagers, they don't listen to anyone. They have their own mind. There is a lot of conflict, and then we try to punish them. This and that, which happens in our teenage also. It happened, right? And independence from family. We all wanted to run away from our families. I don't know about you. At least I wanted during my teenage. So how many of you wanted or wanted to escape from the structures? Good. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3 people are
Exception.
They may be fatted babies that time. They may be feeling more sicklier.
Family affection was there more. Okay.
So if you see, all these people are natural and these 3 people are unnatural. Yeah, that's true. And during teenage it has to happen this way. Otherwise,
Something is wrong.
something is wrong.
Right there.
They actually
Right.
Like to live in cage.
They are in cage. And
Not wrong, something is abnormal.
yeah, something is abnormal. And there can be too much of parental control. So much freedom is also a problem. But anyway, so the thing is, even if at all you don't want to run away from your families during teenage, you can do that now. Mostly that happens, when you are not given enough freedom during teenage, and this I see normally, they want to run away from, let's
Middle
say,
age.
in the middle age.
At least they have that feeling.
Their feeling that time.
Secrets are in their thought.
At that time, what happens, they want that freedom wants to come. They want to experience something challenging. This and that. So mostly at 30s, I
Adventurous they
Ah.
They want to experience.
experience. And so teenage comes slowly. Yeah. So let's be here. Anything you want to share? Anything you want to share to the group?
हाँ एक्चुअली when I was 17 डैड ने मुझे हॉस्टल भेजा था तो आई वाज वेरी हैप्पी कि चलो इनको छोड़ के मैं यहाँ पे हूँ कि मेरे को मेरी लाइफ जीने को मिलेगी मैंने किया भी मतलब मूवीज देखना वगैरह सब इंजॉय किया मैंने अपना हॉस्टल लाइफ थोड़ा मेरा रैगिंग वैगिंग हुआ पर वो मेरे लिए वो एक्सपीरियंस था तो दैट वाज एक्चुअली अ फ्रीडम फॉर मी वो जो रैगिंग हुआ वो मेरे लिए एक्चुअली अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस है बिकॉज सी कुछ तो मिला मुझे वहाँ पे एक्सपीरियंस मिला और उसके बाद जब मेरा डिवोर्स हुआ उसके बाद मैंने डायरेक्टली अपना बैग पैक किया उनको छोड़ के डायरेक्टली बिना बताए मैंने मतलब सब मेरा सामान मैंने प्रॉपरली प्लान किया कि मुझे इनको कैसे छोड़ना है मैंने प्रॉपरली मेरा जितना भी सामान था पूरा प्रॉपरली मतलब प्लान करके मैं पुणे में शिफ्ट हुई मैं यहाँ पर 1.5 साल रही अपने मन से जी जो भी मेरा फैमिली था मैंने उसको अरेंज किया मैं यहाँ पे रही शांत हुई फिर उन्होंने मुझे बुलाया बहुत रोए वो आज वापस आ गया करके तो पिछले 3 महीने से मेरे साथ रह रही हूँ अगेन आई एम सेइंग कि मैं तो नहीं रहना मैं जा रही हूँ क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि मैं अपना सकती, मुझे इनके पास रह के कुछ नहीं मिलेगा। अगर मैं अकेली रहूँगी या फिर खुद को अगर एक्सप्लोर करूँगी तो मेरे चांसेस ज़्यादा सक्सेस होने के। तो दैट्स आई फीलिंग, बिकॉज अगर मैं उनके साथ रहूँगी तो उनके प्रॉब्लम से अटक जाऊँगी या फिर अपने प्रॉब्लम में और बढ़ जाऊँगी आगे। अगर मैं अकेली रहती हूँ तो ठीक है, थोड़े प्रॉब्लम्स फेस करने पड़ेंगे मुझे सोशली, बट सी एज अ ह्यूमन आई कैन एक्सप्लोर माई सेल्फ इन अ बेटर वे, एक्चुअली स्पिरिचुअली, फाइनेंशियली आई कैन बिकम मोर स्ट्रॉन्ग। ओके, और मैं फुल्ली पूरा लाइफ तो उनके साथ नहीं रह सकती, कभी ना कभी तो जाना पड़ेगा, तो अभी क्यों नहीं?
Beautiful. Thank you for sharing.
Yeah.
And we have all witnessed what. Thank you for sharing that. And we also felt during teenage, you know, how to challenge the system, you know, challenge the status quo, do something challenging, find our own identity, you know. We want to be rebels, you know. We wanted to do something which is not allowed, you know.
Society.
Yeah.
You are very thrilled.
Yeah, it's a good thing. So you can live through that, and everything has its own time and its own learning phase, and everything is important. You know, we need to follow our heart. Then that is how we evolve as a human being. And this is what happens, you know, there is a lot of identity versus role confusion, you know. Identity wise, you know, I'm a free person, I want to explore. Role was like, you know, I need to do something else for the society, something else for someone else. So this confusion happens, and you know, like we said, you know, sometimes we, if we don't experience these kinds of things in our teenage, it comes back in our life after some time. At some point of time we will experience this growth. Age group can be different, but you know, psychologically we get into it. And potential issues from this development stage are being sexually shy or inhibited. So if at all we are not allowed to explore more about our sexuality, or you know, this and that, during that time we become more shy, we become inhibited about exploring our sexuality, having an inappropriate need for others' approval. So during this time we are too much dependent on others' approval in teenage, especially from the friends. If group people are smoking, let's say in my college people were smoking, some people were smoking, and I also wanted to be a part of their group, so I will also smoke. I also started smoking just to get that approval from the group. And some people were ragging, you know, I also do that. So these kinds of things happen in our teenage, and for us earlier parental approval was more important. Now in teenage, society's approval, or for us society is peers.
Yeah.
These are our society. The friends, that will be our society. So what they do, we have to do. Their approval is more important, and sometimes it goes like, you know, these wounds come in our later part of our life. You know, this continues. Like, you know, going ahead, this continues. Like my neighbors, what my neighbors think. My neighbor had bought a car. I also want to buy a car.
But my colleague will.
My colleague had switched the company. I also want to switch the company, right? Or you know, sometimes my colleague had went to US on-site. I also want to go to on-site. You know, this kind of things, competition, or this kind of like, you know, basically we are seeking approval. And using substance or destructive behavior to cope with discomfort in life. During this time, you know, most of the youth now are using weed, right? Any smokers here? Weed smokers? Huh? No one has.
Myself.
Yeah, thank you for sharing. have done it.
I'm sitting in your chair and saying myself.
The students
I did not understand anything. Anyway,
I thought you are the same.
He is relating it for you, that yourself, not myself.
yeah, I
yourself.
have done it. I have done it. I don't have any what you call fear to acknowledge what I have done. It. I have done all kinds of things. What you call
We are wonderful.
yeah. I have done weed or this and that. But basically, the thing is here the basic need is it is very difficult to cope up with discomfort in life. And for this we get towards these substances or drugs or nowadays most of the youth is going into it. And you people might not know.
Right
You
from
people
7 or 8 standards.
Is it? I did not know that, but
I know.
I see people in colleges and I know what college people do and all. So this is how it goes. Feeling
Time
socially,
is running very fast.
yeah, socially inadequate. Like we feel that there is a lot of inadequacy. We are not adequate enough to face the society. There is a lot of fear inside. And feeling overly self-conscious about physical appearance, how I look, how I dress, how I put makeup, what others think of me, how I am looking, right? These are all some things which come whenever teenage self is wounded. And like you said, sometimes when teenage self is not given the chances to experiment during that age, we do the experiments at later part of ages, and someone has to suffer at the end of the day, either parents or spouses. But that's how life goes.